Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another revisiting video. Today we're going to revisit a home in the town of Guardia Alfiera in Molise. This home is in need of renovations, but the owner has reduced the price by 10,000 euros. Initially it was 45 and now they're asking 35,000 euros. It's in a really nice location of Guardia Alfiera, and Guardia Alfiera is only about 25 to 30 minutes drive to Termoli, so that you can find the beach there, lots of services, more restaurants, the train station, the hospital. So whatever you can't get in Guardia Alfiera, you will be able to get a short of a way in Termoli. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the beautiful town of Guardia Alfiera. Guardia Alfiera is in Molise and it has a population of just under 1,000 people. We are about 25 minutes to Termoli and there is a beautiful lake at the bottom of the hill of Guardia Alfiera, which you should visit if you're around. We just had a look at a house which we are about to show you. What are your thoughts on the house?
Okay guys, so this house, it needs a lot of work. So you have to understand that you can't just move into this house. You need to put a new roof and it needs electrical, windows, everything. But the house has got a lot of potential. It's in a great location and
it's a stone house.
It's a stone house. It's got a lot of character, but it does need work.
Houses in Guardia Alfiera are really well kept. So we think that if you do put in the work, you're going to be left with a beautiful house and the value is going to stay because of the surrounding houses and because of how well kept this town is.
It's also a really good location because you have, even though you're not as close to the beach as some of the other towns, you are closer to the capital of Campobasso. So you have, I think it's about 30 minutes to the beach or to Termoli. Great location in the hills if people like towns in the mountains like we do. But it's a absolutely gorgeous town with a lot of character, a great historical centre, and the people here are lively, even though
it's very lively for the size. There are lots of businesses and bars. We'll link a video that we've done of Guardia Alfiera before.
Yep, hope you enjoy the house, guys.
Guardia Alfiera is located in the lower Molise and it has a population of around 950 people. This town has been inhabited since at least the 10th or 11th centuries. The Guardia Alfiera Lake, or Lago del Liscione, is actually a man-made dam, built in the 60s and 70s to provide water to Guardia Alfiera and other surrounding towns. In the lake, you can see the remnants of an ancient bridge, which is said to have been crossed by Hannibal during the Punic Wars between Rome and Carthage. Guardia Alfiera is quite popular with foreigners. For its size, it has a good population of expats, particularly from the US, Argentina, Australia, and Germany. The town is small and very well kept. You can spend hours wandering around the beautiful historical center with its cobblestone streets, stone houses, or you can just visit the lookout and admire the beautiful greenery surrounding the town and the lake. Ciao.
Oh,
There's a cantina here as well.
really?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's raining.
Yeah. Okay, guys, this area belongs to the house next door, so it's not part of this house. Right now is the middle of autumn. It's been quite a rainy day. The temperature is about 24 degrees, so it's nice and comfortable. So I thought of getting started recording the outside of this home before it starts pouring, because apparently it will. This is the main street of Guardia Alfiera. The historical center is done that way. If you have watched all of our videos, you will be familiar with that station for electric bikes, as we have done a video of a house just a little bit over that way. So this is the house that we're going to be looking at today. It is to be renovated. It's a stone house with really nice features inside. It definitely needs some work. Let's start with the ground floor, which is this one here. This is the cantina, but pretty much we can look at it last. The house is pretty much empty. It hasn't been inhabited for a long time. The roof needs to be redone as well. From here we continue, and on our right hand side we have the stairs. They're quite deep, so will probably need to be redone. Then we have another room, and this one has a window to the side. That little laneway, which we checked out at the beginning of the video, if you remember. That way. So this laneway is shared between that house and this house. You're not supposed to park here, but each of the houses has enough space for parking at the front. Here we have a toilet. So it's good to know that there is already water connection here. It's a nice size for a half bathroom. If we continue over here, we'll see a garage, and the garage is accessed from the side of the house where the little laneway is. It's quite large, and shortly we'll put the measurements on the screen. They're certainly prepared for winter. From here, let's go upstairs. Okay, we made it upstairs, and then to our right we have one bedroom with a balcony, and then to the left we have a couple of rooms. Let's start with this area of the house, and we just came from there. If you enjoy our content, please consider supporting us on Patreon. I will leave the link on the description. This window again faces that little laneway. Something interesting about this house is that there is an area that is not habitable. So pretty much the area that we're in, where there is a full bathroom, and then the back of the house, the last room of the house, is not habitable. If you have been doing your research into purchasing a home in Italy, by now you will know that most of the country is prone to tremors and earthquakes in both the north and the south. So the reason why this portion of the house is not habitable is because it has been damaged by one of the quakes a few years ago. According to the owner, there are clear documents as to what portion is habitable, which is about 2/3 of the house, and which one is inhabitable. This is one of those homes that could be a very good investment, but first you should check and consult with an engineer, with architects, just because there is a lot of work to do on the house, including roof, some walls, and it's likely that the portion that is not habitable needs to be redone completely. A house that will take some money to complete, but once that's done, you're gonna have a beautiful house in a gorgeous town, which is the town again of Guardialfiera, surrounded by lots of hills and a gorgeous lake, in a town that is very historical and still preserves many of its stone buildings. Okay, I just made it down from the attic while Aiden continues to measure. Now let's go to that room that has a balcony on the front of the house. In this room we continue to have beautiful vaulted ceilings and other nice features typical of stone houses, and the balcony faces the front of the house and one of the hills of Guardialfiera. So pretty much the lake, if you're familiar with the area, is down there, about 5 minutes drive, and we are about 25 minutes drive from Termoli. As I mentioned before, it's about 24 degrees and quite rainy, and it's lunchtime, so the town is nice and quiet. People are having their lunch, and if you want to go to the historical center, it's all the way down there. I will link a video we did at the beginning of the year of the Guardialfiera, so it will help you understand the town a lot more. Okay, from here, let's go to the cantina, which is on the outside of the house. Okay, so the cantina is here. We always have to be careful when checking these houses out of not leaving doors open for too long, because we don't want cats going in there and then we don't know they're there. Okay, where is my light? That's better. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, these will probably just become storage for whomever buys this house. I will show you in a second the height of the ceiling for context, but it's quite low. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. As always, please let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much to our patrons for their generosity. Your extra support is really appreciated. We have a lot more content for you to enjoy. If you would like to continue watching other home tours, please click here. If you would like to watch the videos of our own purchase and renovation story, click here. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Ciao!